Welcome back, you guys, to another video. On today's video we have, unfortunately, the high fuel pressure pump failed on us. Starting off by taking up your the cover. Second, if you have the original box air intake, you need to take that one out. Or in my case, I have the dual cone intake from Bigger Motors. They're just held by flathead. I just loosen up for the sake of the video, so we could just save up some time. So we need to disconnect the charge pipe. It's pretty easy. You loosen up a C-clamp right here, and there's another C-clamp right there, and then there's like a C-clip right there. This one, it goes this way. You just pull it and you're good to go. You disconnect this vacuum line. You just pull it, so easier. Just make sure put stuff on the side, you don't lose them, so when you put things back in. So literally, if you look, this is the high fuel pressure pump right there. And guys, it's pretty easy. I'm going to show you how to do it. Make sure to just take that intake manifold sensor, and then let's start by taking out the charge pipe out of the place. Make sure you take, and there's like a sensor down there. I will show you. This is the sensor that goes in the charge pipe. Take out the throttle body. Now this one is 10 millimeters, so I was using the 10 I have right here. Pretty easy. You have 4. You have 1, 2, and then 2 rear on the back. So you can use something like this extension 10. You want to go underneath, try to feel where it is. I found it. Ouch. And just put this on the side a little bit, and we got 1. Okay, found it. They're not pretty tight. Like once you unscrew them a little bit, they come all the way loose. So I will show you what I'm saying. So if you look, man, don't do this. Once they're loose, they're pretty much out. You get it. So we took the 4 bolts, and now you have a sensor and you have this line. You just press them on the side. Now let's take out the sensor first. That's the sensor first, and then you have this. Here's on out. Now this is the throttle body. I have a new gasket for it, so I'm gonna be replacing it in a little bit. Let's put this on the side. Next thing you want to do, you want to take out the intake manifold. Now there's one thing I want to let you guys know about the intake manifold, just to make your life way easier. After you've taken all these nuts, anyway, you take them out and you try to pull it. It's a little bit challenging, but you have to manage to take it from that way. Actually, it's a little bit tight, but once you get it, you get it. So you pull it from the side, and then you take out the. Okay, now all these parts on the side. Now it's time. Maybe it is time for you to clean up the the manifold stuff. And then right here, here's where we see the high fuel pressure pump. Now you have a sensor right here to disconnect first. and you literally, your job is just to you know, unscrew this, and there's another one right there if you see it, and then there's 3 torques. There's one right here, and then there's one right there, and there is one right there. Now the third one is the tricky one, so let me show you what I did to take it out. You need to have the right tool, guys. So what you want to do is you want to feed it, if you want to take out the sensor, but you really don't have to. But you know, if you want to make it clean, you just drop your tool like this. Make sure that line is not on the way. So once you dropped, you just pull it a little bit and feed it. Do you see how I reached? And literally now you just unscrew from there. A little bit slim, you know, skinny extension, and these you really need to have like the smallest extension, like just that, and you should be good to go. I'm going to show you guys how they look like on the actual fuel pump. Now I already replaced it because so here's your fuel pump. Here's the 3 one I was talking about, you guys. This is the line you have, and this is your second line. That's really it. That's the whole thing, guys. It's really simple and easy. Now I just have to literally clean up the thing and replace the gasket and put things back in. And as I told you, when you put in the intake manifold, which is that black thing, when you put it back, it's gonna be struggle if you don't unplug these and these. So that's really much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I hope this was like a helpful tips, because when I did it, it was pain. But now after I did it, I kind of know what to do and what not to do, and it's really simple and easy, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you to the next one. Bye, peace out.